Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyway, today's video, guys, I want to just do a sit down, chit chat, get ready with me. I'm getting ready for an event tonight, and I'm like, wait, why not just film it and just sit here and chill and talk to you guys? I'm not sat and chatted with you guys for a while now, like doing a full like chit chat, sit down, talking about like just life, drama, New Year's resolutions, things like that. And I thought it'd be really fun to just sit down and do that. You know, I have a couple new items I wanted to test out, and a lot of these things are, of course, from my 2017 favorites video. That's going to be going up, hopefully, before this video is. I don't even know. I'm filming in the future right now. It's like really weird. Anyway, guys, that's what today's video is going to be. I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, if you guys don't like this video, because do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what's up? I'm MannyMua, and welcome to my channel. I appreciate you being here a lot. You know, like a fucking lot. Anyway, let's just go ahead and jump right in. I do have somewhere to be tonight. Going to an event with Instagram and Vanity Fair. So I'm like, you know what? Let's fucking get into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna just go ahead and jump right into this video, and we're going to do some freaking makeup. So let's just go ahead and start, and let's just get really real. Let's just get really fucking real, okay? Let's get fucking deep. What are your guys' New Year's resolutions? And I'm being dead ass, like, real ones. I want you to tell me some real ones. I don't want you to tell me some fucking, like some little ones, like, you're just, like, randomly making up right now. I want to hear you guys. If you're being serious, are you doing New Year's resolutions? Are you taking them seriously? Like, what is gonna be your New Year's resolution for 2018? Like, I literally, like, we are starting the year off. We're starting it strong. We want to start it strong, and I feel like it's gonna be a fantastic fucking year if you make it fantastic. I went on this whole fucking Snapchat rant about how I think that just because a new year is happening does not mean that the world owes you anything, basically. If you want things to change for yourself in a new year, you have to make them fucking happen. You have to make them come to life. You know what I mean? As soon as you start thinking that the world owes you something is when problems start to arise. And I'm being dead ass serious on this. Like, this is like something, this is gonna be some like fucking life advice video, okay? We're gonna talk about some life shit. We're gonna get really fucking real. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna get that real, but like hella like kinda real, you know? When you start to think that the world owes you something is when shit starts to go downhill. And I mean that in the most like nicest way possible. I just mean that in the way of like, yo, you need to work your ass off in this life to make the best life possible for yourselves. You know what I mean? You can't just expect shit to fall in your lap because, what, you're pretty, you've had a hard life, etc, 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 okay? You can't think that. You need to take life by the fucking balls. So for me, this year is going to be a big year because, one, Lunar Beauty is launching. That's my biggest, like, holy fucking tit shit, cocksucking, like, intensity, you know? That's my biggest thing. I'll talk about that more later. In case you guys don't know, I announced on Christmas that I'm going to be coming out with a brand this year, and its name is Lunar Beauty, which is, like, so me. It's just very, very me, and I'm just so excited that it's finally, like, announced and out and about, and finally I can just, like, say the name, you know? Even just saying the name had given me so much anxiety for the past like year, like being like just nervous. You just never know with things like this. You never know if people are gonna take it well. You never know if people are gonna see your vision. But at the end of the day, you need to be confident in yourself, and you need to make it fucking work. I'm gonna be taking New Year's resolutions seriously this year. Like, I never do, by the way, never do. But I'm going to this year. I just really want to. I wanna make my life better. You know? So for me, first resolution, let's just go and talk about first one. I want to have a nicer body. I really do. I really want to focus more on working out. I want to focus more on eating healthy. Mind you, yes, I had KFC today because Freshly hasn't been delivering over the holidays, okay? Let a bitch live. I make mistakes. Everyone has those days. I want to be healthier. That's a definite goal of mine, is to be healthier this year, because who doesn't want to be healthy? I want to be able to take off my shirt in public. I've never been comfortable with that. Not once in my entire life been comfortable with it, and I still am not. I'm not there yet. I'm not comfortable taking off my shirt in public. I usually will not do it unless I'm in a very, very, very enclosed situation, or it's like friends around me, only friends that I trust. I'm very particular about it. I get insecure really easily about my body, you know, and I want to be more confident this year, you know, with my body, and I actually have to do things. When you have things that you want to change about your body, that's something you need to actually go out and do. Like this, that's something that you're like, bitch, get the fuck up off the fucking couch and off the bed. You guys know I love to nap, and get to the gym. Go do some cardio, get some fucking weightlifting in, like do something, and it will make a huge difference. This year is gonna be different. I'm gonna be better. So that's one of my biggest goals of 2018, is just to be healthier, you know, be more confident in myself, try my hardest to be more out there. That's going into my next one. I want to be more forward. I want to be really, really forward in 2018. You know, I'm a single dude, you know, and it's cool. It's whatever. I don't like mind, but I want to be like, you can't just assume shit's gonna fall into your life. Like, for example, you can't assume like you're gonna find a boyfriend to find love if you're just sitting there fucking twiddling your thumbs. You know, you have to actually like go out and try. Like you have to try to make things happen for yourself. And I'm not saying over here like I'm gonna go out every fucking weekend and go to the fucking club and be like, hey, how you doing? You know, I'm probably not gonna do any of that stuff. I just think that putting yourself out there more, you know, just being more open to the possibilities. That's like what I'm trying to say, is I want to be more open to possibilities of finding someone, I don't know, giving people a chance, like go on dates more, like say yes to dates more, you know, hit on people. I've hit on a couple people actually like recently, and it's worked out. I mean, it didn't really work out in like my exact favor, you know, and just turned up into like a hookup, which is fine, I guess. But in 2018, I want to focus more on like making more positive connections with men. I mean, of course, a hookup is positive, it's a cool experience, but like that's not what I mean. I want it to be like something meaningful. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna attempt to be a little bit more forward in 2018, you know, try to be, you know, that bitch. If I see someone at the gym, like, that's fine as fuck. Why not just be like, hey, you're super handsome, just want to let you know. Like, what is wrong with that? You know, I get so nervous, like I get so in my head doing this shit, and I'm like, fuck, I want to be able to say that kind of stuff. Like, why am I being such a... But I get into my head and I'm like, okay, well, I'm not as cute as them, so obviously I'm not gonna like, it's not gonna go out in my favor. Like they're gonna be like, what the fuck? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I get into my head like that, and I'm sure a lot of people do too. And it's so easy to fall into like, oh, well, they're just gonna like laugh at me and walk away, you know? But I'm like, at the end of the day, like, people aren't rude. Like, I mean, hopefully you wouldn't say hi to someone or like hit on someone that was rude. And if they were rude, then at least you know then you aren't continuing on anything with them. I want to give people the benefit of the doubt. And last resolution that I have is leaving people that don't want to be in my life in 2017. If you don't want to be in my life, if you don't want to fucking fuck with me, if you don't want to be my friend, if you don't want to be any of it, if you don't want to like hang out with me, if you don't want any of that stuff, that is totally fine. But I'm tired of trying to be that bitch that always is the one that's trying. You know what I mean? Like, I'm tired of it. And I'm going to leave Manny, who's a people pleaser, or at least I'm going to try as much as I can in 2017 as well. I'm going to try to be more confident in myself and not feel like I need to be friends with everyone. Growing up, you guys, that was one of my biggest struggles, was trying to make everyone like me. It was so hard and so stressful. I never want to go back to that. You know, now luckily I'm at a point where it's like, does it still affect me sometimes? Yes, it does. I don't think that will ever leave me, is wanting people to like me. I'll always want people to like me. You know, I live my life on social media too. I always want to like feel like people are enjoying my company or enjoying my content, things like that. You know, I never want to be the bitch that's like, I don't give a fuck. Like, not give a fuck ever. But I definitely want to be the bitch that's not like consumed with getting people to like them. That was my whole MO. My whole fucking life was literally trying to just get to people to like me and doing whatever it took to make it happen. You know, I need to think more highly of myself and be more confident within my own fucking ability and my friendship and myself as a person, and not let people take advantage of me. Or if they're rude to me, you guys don't understand how many issues I've had at events with different influencers who I used to be friends with, or I used to be acquaintances with, or whatever the fuck, and they treated me like such a fucking dick at an event. And honestly, I would just sweep it under the rug and just think like, oh, maybe they're having a bad day, or maybe they just like didn't see me. I would just come up with so many fucking excuses for people's mean actions or rude actions towards me. I'm not doing this again. I'm not doing this again in 2018. I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm fucking over it. And if you want to be a fucking dick to me, cool. But now I'm not gonna be the bigger person. Sounds terrible. It actually sounds really terrible. I'm not gonna be the one that's gonna be going up to people at events and being like, hi. I'm tired. I want to be stronger. I'm tired of being treated like shit at certain events with certain people. And it's like, you know what? I don't need to go up and say hi to you. And I'm no longer going to. So, I don't know. Maybe that's like the wrong mindset to be in. It could be. Honestly, it really could be. But I think I'm just tired of being let down. I'm not changing when it comes to like who I am as a core person. I'm just tired of being walked all over. So that's kind of what I mean. I don't want you guys thinking like, oh my god, Manny's gonna turn into a fucking dick. I need to take care of myself first. And sometimes it's like hard to realize that. And I've had realizations where I'm like, fuck, man, stop letting people walk all over you because you want to be liked. Taking a pause, we're taking Kristen Leanne, ex Urban Decay. Kristen Leanne is also another beauty vlogger on here on YouTube, and she came out with a collection with freaking Urban Decay. That is amazing. So I wanted to take some of her items today and use them in today's video. It's so cute. It's just like so unique, and like look how fucking cool this is with the little bubbles. And then we get highlighters. Yes, bitch. Okay, let's see. We have this one, and we have this one. All beautiful. Like, they're beautiful and they feel very, very smooth. Nice. They're not extremely blinding or anything like that, but I'm sure we can get it to look nice and intense on our faces because I like that. Anyway, guys, I'm on a tangent right now. I apologize for being on such a gnarly ass tangent, but at the end of the day, just be kind to people. Oh shit, yes, bitch. Oh, I'm here for this. Absolutely here for this. Boom. That's a win. Hard win. Congratulations, Kristen Leanne and Urban Decay. This is fucking stunning. Holy shit. I lost my train of thought. I don't know where we're at in the conversation right now, guys. Love yourself first. Before anyone else. If you can't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love somebody else? Can I get an amen in here? RuPaul, you are right. You are fucking right. These guys right here. Look at that. It's like such a beautiful neutral palette. And then we have the bold palette right next to it. So we're going to incorporate both of these. Let's go in with some, we're just going to do like a transition-y moment, and then I'll go in something more bold after. Taking Morphe M576. Daydream. So you guys, I have been working on Lunar Beauty for the past almost 2 years now. And it has been it's been a fucking ride. But it's been like the best ride ever. It's been so much fun. Stressful as fuck. Stressful as fuck, I'm not gonna lie, but it's been so much fun, and I'm so excited for the first product. And just to give you like a hint, I'm not gonna give you like actually like a real like intense hint where you guys are like gonna know what it is, but like a little hint about it is like this product means a lot to me because it basically is what jump started my career. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say anything too much about it. It's a product that I love and I use all the fucking time. When I do my video about the product, you guys will totally understand. So I'm just very, very excited about it. It's been a long time in the making. I'm hoping to launch in May. That's like my goal time, because honestly with this kind of thing with labs and with distribution places and all that shit, there's so much work that gets put into this that it's obscene almost. It's almost obscene because it just is. Okay, you guys, if I had it my way, you know, we would have launched this shit in fucking December. That was like the original goal. A year ago, that was the goal. Didn't happen. Didn't have my way, sadly. But you know what? It's all good because that means I get more time to focus on the product, more time to focus on the packaging, more time to focus on everything else that's involved with creating your own brand, you know, and with the website, with everything, with todo. I think you guys are going to be really excited about it, and I think you guys are going to really love it. I put so much hard work and soul into this, and I would never release something that I didn't love and didn't like fully believe in. It's just not my thing. I don't believe in that. I believe in working hard on creating something. At the end of the day, I own the brand. It's my brand. I don't have an investor. I've invested all my own money into this. So I'm my own boss. I get to decide the rules, you know. I get to decide when I want something to launch and when I want something to be out and things like that. So I'm really, really excited about that aspect of it because I feel like that's very, very, very important for me, is being able to have full creative control and be able to control a lot of the aspects of having a brand. You know, I want it to be amazing. I want you guys to have an amazing experience when you're buying it and when you're using it and things like that. So I hope you guys are excited. It's kind of ridiculous how nervous I am. You know, it really is. I feel like I shouldn't be as nervous as I am, but I just am. I can't help it. It's like my little baby. It's like another Zaya. You know, it's literally like another fucking Zaya for me. And I've had so much help along the way. You know, my dad works with me, my mom works with me, and they have been troopers, to say the least, about this whole experience. So yeah, I'm just really grateful. I'm really, really grateful, and I cannot wait to launch my first product in hopefully May or June. We will see. I also would really like to ask you guys what you guys would like to see from me in 2018. What would you guys like to see, like, from my brand? You know, what would you guys like to see going on? Like, I already of course have like the ideas that I have and the things that I'm doing, the things that I'm starting with, and the things I'm going to be launching with first, of course. Is there anything in specific that you guys would like to see from my brand, or anything that you like to see from a brand in general? Like, what is something y'all are like, bitch, you better be bringing this bitch out? Like, what is that product for you? I feel like the cool thing about being able to have your own brand is like you can be like a brand for the people. You know, I ask you guys advice all the time, and I ask for you guys' opinions all the time, and I think that that's such a cool part about being an influencer and getting millions of followers, is like you get so many different lavish opinions all the time. Some opinions you don't want to hear, some opinions you do want to hear, but at the end of the day, it's an opinion. Everyone gets the right to one. Let a bitch no, but I'm not the type of bitch that's like, fuck you all, it's amazing. I am really receptive, you know, especially because this is my brand, you know, it's a brand for you guys, and I'm really receptive to feedback, and I'm not gonna be like that person that's like, oh, well, you guys are all just fucking haters. I know you're not. I know you guys have my fucking best interest at heart. You know, especially the people that are like telling me things with love. And so I had said, I was like, yo, if you come up with an emblem or a logo that you really, really like and you think that embodies my brand more, send it to me and we'll see how it goes. I got sent an amazing emblem from Liz. Liz, I love you. And I'm using it. Like, I bought it from her, and I'm obsessed with it, and I'm really, really excited about it, and I think that's gonna look beautiful, and I love it. It's like an LB with a little star. It's so fucking cute, and I think it's very, very sleek and nice. So thank you guys for all the positive and constructive feedback. That was kind of cool, actually. I love how it's like blended on the inner corners, but then sharp on the middle. Like, we're going to finish up this look. I just put on some I put on some brown eyeliner underneath my lash line. Let's go ahead and blend that out before I get a little hairy. We're just gonna go with smoky on the lower lash line, by the way, guys, just to chill it out. The top is the moment, so we're gonna keep it smoky down here. Another thing I want to be doing in the new year is just being a little bit more fun and a little more creative with my makeup, you know, wanting to take it there a little bit more. My first product coming out is really gonna help me push myself to be even more colorful and more outlandish than I already am. But you guys already know, like if you guys watch my channel, you know that I love to do bold eyes, incorporating color on my eyes, and do a neutral lip. That's like my go-to thing. I don't really think that's gonna change a lot in 2018, but I'm gonna try to make it more. I'm gonna try to just be more out there. Take a little bit of black too. I'm already not really scared of color. Color is not something that like freaks me out. I don't mind doing color on the eyes. I love incorporating a pop of color and things like that. I just want to take my techniques a little bit farther this year. Like for example, the makeup I have on right now. This is like a, what would you even call this? This is like a halo cut crease. A halo cut crease. This like halo cut crease like going on right now. Usually I would never do something like this, especially using blues. I want to be a little bit more out there in 2018. Just have a little more fun, and I need you guys to keep me fucking accountable, okay? You get into your routines and you just settle with your routines and you get happy with your routines, and I'm like, yes, I look cute, I live. I want to be unique. Are you guys into like bold dramatic makeup? Are you guys into really natural makeup? Like what is your guys' go-to looks? I'm really curious. I love hearing about other people's like go-to makeup looks and their like go-to fun moments. I feel like once the liner and the lashes go on, like it's cast together. And there you have it. We have the eyes on. They are done and they are popping. I'm not gonna lie, they're a little more bold than I thought I was gonna be going today, but we took it there, I guess. I'm gonna go and just do the lips real quick and I will be done con today's video. You know what I'm saying? You know what's fucking crazy is that 2018 has already jumped off to a fucking start. You know what I'm saying? With drama happening already on YouTube about certain influencers doing certain things in certain countries and stuff like that. Dude, the year is already starting off with a fucking bang. Okay, let's hope that that's not how the year is gonna go. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to kind of come on here and just chat with you guys about like New Year's. New us, you know what I'm saying? Actually, new year, same us, but better. I just want this year to be our year. You know what I mean? I want you guys to be successful, to learn things, to grow, you know, and I want that for myself and for my brand. We can make it happen. I really do. And I hope you guys believe that in yourself as well. As long as you believe it, you can achieve it, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, was that so gay? I feel like that's like such a card or something. Like, if you believe it, you can achieve it. Hola! This fucking face is beat to the ground. Turned out different than I thought, not gonna lie. Didn't know where I was going with this. Not even a clue. I love how it turned out. I think it's super fun. I'm gonna definitely try to be more out there, be more outlandish with my makeup this year, and just kind of have more fun. Anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys had fun watching. I had so much fun just sitting down and chatting with you guys and just, I don't know, talking about the new year, talking about goals and accomplishments that want to happen for the new year, and I hope you guys are ready for it. I cannot wait to get things going, get things started. Share your New Year's resolutions down below. That would be amazing because fellow people can talk to you guys about it, and I just feel like when you talk about things, I feel like it kind of helps you like make them come to life. If you guys want to talk about it down below, that'd be great. Share your stories with other people and share it with me. I would love to read the comments down below. I hope you guys continue to watch throughout 2018 and are prepared for Lunar Beauty because this shit's gonna be fucking crazy. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys. Happiness in 2018 is what we want. That was the best KFC I've ever had. Oh, it was good. It was fucking good. Indigestion, hold on. Got some in my eye. It's in my lash. I'm not changing. You know what I mean? I'm not changing for anyone when it comes to like doing. Oh shit, that's really pigmented. I am a mess. Looking good, 8. That's what the shadow's called, 8. I don't know where we're taking this. I don't know where we took this guy. The lash glue's not dried yet. Great.